Thanks for tuning in to Front Page Crypto News. Calico on Crypto here. Whether you're a beginner in the crypto space or a veteran in the space or just a guy that likes to hear crypto news, discussions, opinions, and the whole 9 yards, you came to the right place. Please sub, like, hit the bell, comment, let me know what you guys think, and share as well. So today we're going to be covering where to store your crypto. A lot of beginners are very unsure about where to store their cryptocurrency. And also some beginners don't even think about it. They're just like, whatever, I'm just going to leave all my crypto in Binance or in whatever they're using, KuCoin, Coinbase, BlockFi, whatever it may be. So I'm just going to cover 3 places where you can store your cryptocurrency and also give you my opinion on it. All right. So first, I believe, and this is in my opinion, right, do not store your cryptocurrency just in one spot. For example, if you are using Coinbase and you have a good amount of your money in Coinbase, don't just leave all of your cryptocurrency in Coinbase or whatever it is that you're using. The reason is because since crypto is not regulated right now, there is no adoption. I mean, adoption is happening, but it's not a regulated space, which means none of it is insured, which means if tomorrow you can't access your Coinbase account or whatever it is that you're using, right? Say you lose your keys, you lose your password, you lose everything, then you pretty much lost your cryptocurrency. All right, so it's like, dang, I should have backed everything up. It's the thought that you'd have at that point on top of the frustration. You see what I'm saying? So I believe we should spread everything around, have some here, have some there, have some over here. All right, the second reason as well is because crypto is not insured, which means if you get hacked or if you, again, can't get into your crypto, none of it is insured. If you get scammed, it is not insured. You're not getting it back, right? There is no way to, if you send crypto to the wrong crypto wallet, again, it is gone. You can never recover it. You see what I'm saying? So since it's not insured, unlike stocks are insured. If you use Robinhood, Fidelity, Webull, whatever it is that you use, if they get hacked, if your account gets compromised, if they clean out your account for whatever the reason may be, it is FDIC insured, which means you will get your money back. You see what I'm saying? Cryptocurrency is not built like that right now. It's the wild, wild west. If you lose it, it's gone. That is why I believe we should spread it around to different investments. To different wallets. All right. So the first wallet I'd recommend for a beginner is the Exodus wallet. So you can see on my page here, the Exodus wallet is a good offline wallet where you can store your cryptocurrency. All you have to do is just transfer it from wherever you're holding it. Say it's Coinbase, transfer it over to the Exodus wallet. Now your crypto is now on Coinbase and is on the Exodus wallet, right? Just send a few of your tokens over there for safekeeping and then keep some on Coinbase as well. That way your investments are spread. For example, if your Coinbase gets compromised, you're not going to lose everything. You see what I'm saying? You'll still have some in Exodus, so your whole investment's not going to be gone. How much you want to store between the two is up to you, but the way I do it is the coins that I believe firmly in, I actually store most of it on Exodus and just a little bit in Coinbase, depending on what it is, okay? Coinbase does have APY for like Algorand and USD and USDC and a few other ones. That's why I keep a little bit over there. Then Exodus, they don't give you rewards on some of those coins, so that's why I just keep it on there. Safekeeping it is what it is. Right, so that right there is an offline wallet, also called a hot wallet as well, because it does connect to the internet and stuff like that. All right, so again, you're spreading it around in that way. The second place I would store my cryptocurrency is on my Ledger Nano wallet. All right, that right there is what's called a cold wallet because it is physically in your hand and it does not connect to the internet unless you connected to the internet. Okay, so that thing right there is like a USB stick. You plug it up, same thing. If you have some tokens on Coinbase, you can move it over to your Ledger wallet. Depending on how much you want to move, it is what it is. But again, if your Ledger Nano or Ledger wallet gets compromised, then at least your whole investment is not disappearing. You see what I'm saying? You're spreading it around. You see what I'm saying? And then the third place I'd recommend storing your cryptocurrency is on another exchange. For example, say you have most of it on Coinbase, or say you have some of it on KuCoin, whatever it may be. Again, spread some of that around. It doesn't really matter what your percentage is. You know what I'm saying? But again, don't just throw it all on one. Again, diversification is, or not even diversification, I don't think that's the right word for this. Just spread it around. You see what I'm saying? Just spread it around. Throw some, leave some tokens or coins in your KuCoin, and then move some over to Coinbase, move some over to Ledger. Now you're covered. You have 3 places where your tokens are. That's 3 apps, 3 different places. If one of them gets compromised, you're not screwed. Even if 2 of them gets compromised, you still have some left over. You see what I'm saying? So those are the 3 places I would recommend people store their cryptocurrency if you're a beginner. And of course, there's other apps out there that are a bit more in depth and things like that can do a lot more. But if you're a beginner, you just want the bare bones and you want to be covered. Once you reach the next levels of crypto to the point where you're a veteran, pretty sure you guys will find what works for you in terms of DeFi and things like that. I mean, the game gets really deep. It's really deep as to why people are using different exchanges or different ways of storing their crypto, and it usually has to do with DeFi and APY and interest rates. You see what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind. Otherwise, Calico on Crypto here. Let me know what you guys think. Like, sub, hit the bell, and I'm out. Get those bags.